We are Richard Taunton Sixth Form College. We offer approximately 70 different courses, including A-level and vocational programs. We pride ourselves on being a diverse, inclusive community college. There are a range of enrichment opportunities open to our students. One of these enrichments is Radio Club.
Hi, my name is Maddy Hook and I was a student here at Richard Taunton Sixth Form College from 2015 to 2017. While I was here I studied A-level Fine Art, Critical and Contextual Studies as well as History. But now I've gone on to do a foundation year over at Eastleigh College in Art and Design. One thing I do miss about being at Richard Taunton is the enrichment opportunities that we have here. I for one got involved in a few, including the Student Union and radio. I joined the radio club by chance as I was interviewed on air as part of the Student Union at the college. But after trying it once I caught the bug, and now that little bug has also continued onto my university options, as now I'm trying to find somewhere that both has the right course for me and also has the opportunity to continue radio. So hopefully next year I'll be doing fine art as well as continuing my passion for radio. Doing radio here at Taunton's and being part of the radio club definitely brought out more confidence in me, as being able to go live every week on a platform where potentially thousands could be listening is something that you never really get the opportunity to do anywhere else.
So many of our students have benefited from this amazing opportunity to learn broadcasting skills in a real-time environment.